Whoa. Whoa. Good morning. It's getting later and later. Another fantastic sleep at 11:45. Look, this is very unlike us to be getting up this late, but you know how many bad sleeps I've had recently. So it's nice to actually stay in a place where I sleep through the whole night. I'm feeling a lot better. I still feel a bit, but I feel good. The weather is booming again. So today we are going to go do some waterfalls. We're gonna get some breakfast first, then go on a waterfall adventure. Join us. Join us.
That's Travis's bum sweat. No?
Let his legs sweat you. Where's the gaff? You haven't said hello to Molly this morning.
Morning. I think I've got Travis's illness, so I'm feeling a bit. My throat feels a bit, you know, but.
I feel good. Luckily, we've got some medication already in the bank. I've got some hauls for her. So yeah, we're at this gaff. There were signs for horse riding.
I love horse riding.
Yeah.
I've literally been wanting to do horse riding since we came out here, but I can't find anywhere. There was this one place that did it, and it was like, how much was it? Like £50 for like an hour, which is like UK prices. So I thought, I'm not paying that. That was in Thailand. So doing it through the waterfall would be so cool.
Yeah.
Wouldn't it? So maybe we can do that.
I'd rather do that than walk as well, to be honest with you.
Yeah, same.
I got my Crocs on today, which ain't walking attire, but I mean, I don't see any horses.
Right.
Can't see what it is. Yesterday was cool. We had a really good start to the day. That bridge, by the way, was absolutely amazing. And the cable. Whole thing was so worth it, honestly. Done the washing in my vest, my new vest. The numbers are starting to peel already. Yeah.
They were awful.
So I got my new vest and the numbers and letters are starting to peel already, sadly. Just can't have nice things, can I?
Not out here.
Only just fucking started. 550 million year rock formation, the oldest in Southeast Asia. Cost us 10 ringgit each. I'll put the price on the screen now, 10 ringgit each to get in. Itinerary. 1, 2, 3, 4. Not doing 5. I am not climbing a mountain.
What's at level 7?
A mountain.
Oh, so not a walk.
No. It's the peak, it's the mountain peak. Waterfall number 1.
Through the jungle?
Has an interesting path.
Yeah, it's like kind of like this. Up the mountain. Like, it was a little bit. Oh, you think about something?
No. Are you kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me? Mama and Papa were laying in bed. Mama rolled over, this is what she said. Now give me some, now give me some. PT, PT, good for you, and good for me. Up in the morning to the rising sun. Gonna run all day till the running's done. Full Metal Jacket. Great movie. I feel like Private Pile right now.
Sir, jelly donuts, sir!
Tree snakes, lemurs, mouse deer, hornbill, we saw one earlier, Asian coral, and a squirrel. Watch out for those tree snakes, Molly. It's an absolute bracket out there. Oh, I love it.
I think we're nearly there.
Look, another sign.
God help me. I'm so out of breath.
Another sign saying how cool would it be? How cool would it be to get like a little rubber ring and just go on there and just fucking go woo? Obviously you'd die, but it'd be fucking fun. Sorry, it'd be bloody fun. Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go for a dip.
Woo! What if you slide too far and go like over the road? Oh my god.
So we're gonna go, well, don't know if Molly is, are you gonna?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna take the GoPro on a
Where did he go?
POV. He went from the right, I think. I'll go first.
Okay. Do you want me to film you or you?
No, I'm gonna have to do a POV for this. Right. Welcome to Rumba Rapids.
Oh, that
Whoa. Whoa. Woo. Woohoo! Loophole. Jungle Boogie, Jungle Boogie. There was a sign saying there were scorpions down this one.
Oh, you're doing it.
I'm doing my vlog.
I'm doing mine.
YouTubers come first.
We're now walking to the blue pool.
Subscribe, guys. Rule number one.
This kind of scares me. Also, we don't know how far off the blue pool is. Basically, you can hike to the top of the mountain, which is like 2 hours from this point.
Oh my god! Oh!
What? Why would you do that? The wind is lazy.
Because it's not an easy journey, you think the reward would be amazing. We'll see. There's a sign here. Got a yellow arrow. I hear something. Could be people. Might not be people.
Maybe a monkey or a crocodile.
I wish it was a crocodile. Oh, sturdy as hell. Where's this bloody blue lagoon? Oh, blue pool! Oh!
We made it!
Right. This is the blue pool.
So cool. So we made it. so blue.
Wow. How was it, Molly?
Good.
Saturday night, it's a Saturday. But yeah. Oh.
It's so wet.
Yeah.
This is so cold. And with the water.
It's bloody cold, but
It's so blue.
it's nice. I can't open my eyes underwater. You know what, actually?
You can in here because it's not very cold.
I'll try. I'm gonna try. Ready? 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 Oh, yeah, it's scary. Ready? Yeah.
You did?
I don't know. It's very blurry. We're gonna try it again. Ready? That's really weird. It doesn't actually hurt. What? Yeah, do it.
I'm scared. Are you sure?
Yeah. You think it hurts, but it doesn't. It doesn't actually hurt.
It does. I think it's just... I've got sun cream in my face and it goes in my eyes.
Just one more time. Listen, right, here's a fact for you. Well, not a fact, but apparently things like these here are actually really bad because if they fall over, they can fall on like a bug or like a lizard and kill it. So they say, you know, you shouldn't have these like rock formations because they can kill the wildlife. Look how they get. Yeah. What a gas. On the way back down now. Yeah, that was pretty cool, to be fair. I think we might stop at the other pool on the way back, we might not. And tonight we're going to try to see the sunset. Also, Liverpool playing tonight at 8:30, but there is a weather warning in the UK, so there's every chance they might get postponed. But yeah, I mean that's the plans for the day. Some bloody cool waterfalls though.
Fingers crossed it gets postponed. Fingers crossed.
Alright, 15 likes in this video and I'll dump her ass. 15 likes, 10 likes. But one like and we'll leave Molly in Langkawi, and we'll go to Texas and find some blonde ranch hand named Bonnie, and we'll go move and live on a farm together. And I'll be a cowboy. How's that sound? Bloody hell. Down there, enjoying a lovely peaceful swim. Molly was up here just, you know, dossing about. All of a sudden I see a monkey running across there. I'm thinking I know exactly what I was going for. Bags. And what's in my bag? The bloody GoPro and my phone and my wallet and the keys to the bloody moped. So I'm like, Molly! And she's like, ah! And she's like, I don't know what to do. And then I was like, do something! And then she picks up her shorts and she's going, shoo!
We need to carry a slingshot around with us.
Yeah.
The monkeys hate the slingshot.
They don't like clapping either.
Are they not?
No. So then it ran off, it went up there, ran down there, then went down here. And then I'm up here at this point, laughing about it, then it starts running across there to where all those girls are, and they're all down there. So I'm like, girls, monkey! They come running back and the monkey's stolen a bag of crisps. That's it really. But yeah, funny, very funny. Very funny indeed. But we're off. We're gonna go now.
That was so much fun. Like, I had
yeah.
such a good time.
What an absolute blast. That is the coolest slide I think I've ever been on. And I've been to Dubai, Atlantis, the water park, with those really scary slides, but that is just surreal.
It's quarter to 3.
Quarter to
Where's the
3,
time
bloody
then?
hell.
We did.
Well, because we dossed about all morning.
Really late today.
So we need to get some lunch / dinner. Oh, I hate this sort of time. You want to have lunch, but then dinner's going to be quite late in that case.
That's the trouble. You've been having breakfast late, lunch late, then dinner late, and it's happening.
Yeah.
Some people are saying to me, like these girls are saying to me, that what they do is they have a late. I don't know if this would work with you, Travis, but they have a late lunch at a late breakfast at like 11 o'clock, and then they just skip lunch and they have dinner. But
I'll tell you what, I can skip lunch, but I need like a bag of Christmas ones to tie me over.
yeah, or maybe we could do that.
Yeah?
Because then you're saving money though, aren't you?
Yeah.
That's what they were saying.
Oh,
and I
yeah.
thought that was quite a good idea. Not obviously starving yourself, but...
Yeah, I'd rather, if I can go get a bag of crisps and a can of Coke, I'll do that. Hello.
Yeah.
So we parked up. Here we are. I was actually going to do a segment on beach rankings, but we're going to go to so many beaches in the next however long. Hang on the bloody... We're going to remember to do it all the time, and of course some will be better than others, but yeah, look at this for a gaff. Correct. That is bloody hot, isn't it? But look at that. This is the life, eh?
The only thing that concerns me is like the fact that no one's swimming.
Yeah, I'm gonna have a little look.
It is clear that you can't see it.
To an extent. There's not a soul out there, no one to hear my prayer.
Hello.
Does anyone know what these are? What's causing these holes and these little balls of sand? Like, obviously it's just sand, but there's so many of them. Anyone knows what they are? Pop it in the comments. I'm sure I don't want to know. I'm sure it's some sort of wormy thing, which I'm not going to want to actually know, but curiosity killed the cat. Let me know. I went back, freshened up, and now comes to the sunset. But the beach is absolutely ramo. Look at that over there. There's about 50,000 jet skis. I think everyone here wants to see a sunset. We're also going to go get a beer, but a beer's like £3.50. I don't really think it's so cheaper than England, but only just. You go to Spoons on a Monday, that's cheaper than that. But we're in a Muslim country, and I don't know if it's a Muslim country, but there's a huge lack of alcohol here due to religion, so they'll probably charge up for it. Well, let's see if we can get a milkshake or something instead.
Yeah.
All right. Well, that is it for today. What an awesome day it was, with the waterfalls and swimming, and yeah, as you can imagine, in the strange turn of events, Molly started to feel a bit rough from what I had, so I don't know if tomorrow's going to consist of much. I don't know if tomorrow's consistent much. Yeah, we'll see what happens. Thank you for watching as always. Be sure to like the video, leave a comment, share it with your friends, and subscribe. All the best, God bless, and ciao ciao for now.